Hi guys, this is Lucy, Suo, Zoe, Carmen, Xinli, and Jarvis. We will be presenting our ideas of how to make ABCH a better brand of circular economy. We will be talking about why the idea is regenerative, challenge that might be undertaken, the service it provides, how waste is reused, the business model, and how our partnership can make ideas successful. First of all, we're gonna talk about idea. Our idea of green planets are from primary school experience as most children had experience of National Tree Day. We have learned how important it is to protect environment. It not only helps reduce carbon footprint and tackles climate change, also provides habitats for wildlife, contributing something back to the environment, which consider as returning gift for use of the natural resource. Therefore, for every purchase over $100, one sapling donation will be made to One Tree Planted organization. Customers who join membership will receive store credit when they purchase a recycled garment. Moreover, apparel that's not longer recyclable will be hot composted into fertilizer. This creates a circular transformation process from plant to garment and keep waste within the loop.
The main challenge that the brand facing is that not all customers are willing to send back their unwanted apparel to the brand, because some customers find it as a hassle and time-consuming process to go through. So the goal is to convince the customers to return the unwanted apparel by informing them what the benefits are and increase their willingness of returning the unwanted clothes. Additionally, the company has been sending apparel offshore to recycle the unreusable and recyclable fabrics. We also address the issue and to cut down the cost.
Next, we will introduce the circular economy business model designed by our team for ABCH company. The cycle will start with ABCH garments, which are made of natural materials and recycled fabrics. Customers then can join our membership after they purchase products in the store when the purchase value reaches $100. Our company cooperates with One Tree Planted to plant a sapling for these customers with their names to encourage these customers. To further encourage these customers to return their old garments back to ABCH. These customers will receive credit points for next purchase as a reward. In addition, VIP customers will have a chance to enter the environmental risk ranking by return old garments. These products will be named after the top 10 customers in the next season. After that, as all of the ABCH materials and fabrics came from nature, our company will classify and collect garment wastes and use biological methods to return these fabrics to nature.
Once the garments are sent back from customers, the recyclable part will be reused for the next products, and the faulty part that could not be reused and knit into new fabric will be transformed into fertilizer for farming with the hot composting method. Hot composting requires 4 ingredients: carbon, nitrogen, water, and air to make it work. The fabrics are first shredded into smaller pieces then sent to the local remote site of hot rod and mixed with the food waste in the enclosed vessel. The mixture will then go through the flow-through units to start the process. The fabric will act as the source of carbon, food waste as nitrogen. Water will be added later. The units are temperature and moisture regulated, as well as pH value to ensure the outcome. For 16 to 22 days, the waste will become the rich black soil.
Now, the business model of ABCH is mixed circular and enabling business model. First, they are upcycling, because every ABCH pieces could be recycled, and they facilitate a recycling program where they will sort and repair returned garments for remaking into something new and valuable. I'll use for their cellulose program, which is shredding down unusable fabrics and reblending it with virgin cotton in order to respun and reknit it into a new recycled fabric. They also provide collection service for customers by offering credit and free shipping to encourage them to send back, and our idea is to help to improve their return rules to make more customers willing to send back. And they are local loop as well, because all their garments produced locally, about 80% in Melbourne. The rest is working with Ethical Clothing Australia accredited partner factories.
In order to achieve a circular economy for ABCH, it requires several stakeholders' partnership to make it happen. There are 3 stages for partnership: before, during, and after recycling. First, ABCH will cooperate with One Tree Planning Organization. It can provide low-cost samplings, and it can also cooperate with other authorities to be part of Green Planet project. As a result, for every purchase over $100, ABCH will donate a money to One Tree Planning Organization. They will plant trees where they need it most. Secondly, ABCH will form the main partnership with Global Composting Solutions. At the same time, the City Council Garbage Collection Center and local restaurant will be ABCH Tier 2 partners. Combined with green waste and food waste, they can turn shredded fabric pieces into rich black soil. In addition, having a partnership with Fabric Recycler Australian Pty Ltd, it can turn the unwanted garments into new garments. In the end, after composting, ABCH can sell the soils to farmers and garden business. Thus, after fabric recycled garments can also be sold to customers. Thank you so much for listening. We're looking forward to having